The question says, solve the quadratic equation using the formula method. The formula method is given by x equal to minus b plus minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Now let's identify our a, b, and c. A is 1, b is plus 6, and c is minus 8. Now let's substitute this into the formula. We have x equal to minus 6 plus minus square root of 6 squared minus 4 times our a is 1 times c is minus 8 all over 2 times 1. Now if we simplify further, we have x equal to minus 6 plus minus square root of 36 minus 4 times 1 is minus 4, minus 4 times minus 8 is plus 32 all over 2, because 2 times 1 is 2. X equal to minus 6 plus minus this plus this, 36 plus 32 is 68, root 68 all over 2. So x equal to minus 6 plus minus root 68 is 8.246 all over 2. Now we have two values for x, so it's either x is equal to minus 6 plus 8.246 over 2. Now let's solve this and get to the value. So this will mean that s is equal to, if you add this together, you now have minus 6 plus 8.246 is 2.246 over 2. So that means x is equal to 1.123, or the second value for s would be, from here we have s is equal to minus 6 minus 8.246 over 2. If we add this together, we have x is equal to minus 14.246 over 2. If we divide this, this will give us 2 into 14 is minus 7.123. So it's either x is equal to 1.123 or x is equal to minus 7.123. I hope you enjoyed this. We are going to solve a second example, and the second question says, solve 2x squared minus 3x equal to 4. Now, this does not take the format of a quadratic equation. The format of a quadratic equation is ax squared plus bx plus c equal to 0. So we have to rewrite this equation by bringing 4 to this side to make it take this format. If we do that, we have 2x squared minus 3x. Now plus 4 comes to this side, change to minus 4 equal to 0. Now this has taken the format of the quadratic equation. Now let's solve it using our formula. X equal to minus b plus minus square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. Now let's identify our a, b, c. Our a is equal to 2, b is equal to minus 3, and c is equal to minus 4. Now we are going to plug all this into the formula. So we are going to have x equal to minus b. Our b is minus 3, so we have minus 3 plus minus the square root of minus 3 squared minus 4 times our a is 2 times our c is minus 4 all over 2 times 2, which is our A. Now if we continue, we have, now remember, minus times minus is plus, so we have x is equal to simply 3 plus minus the square root of 3 squared minus 3 squared is plus 9, which is 9. Then minus 4 times 2 is minus 8. Minus 8 times minus 4 is plus 32 over 2 times 2. 2 times 2 here is simply 4. Plus. Continue further, we have x is equal to 3 plus minus. Now, if you add it together, 9 plus 32 is 41. Square root of 41 over 4. If you do this together, the square root of 41, if you check your calculator, the square root of 41 is 6.4. So x is equal to 3 plus minus 6.4 over this plus minus 6.4 over 4. S is equal to 3 plus 6.4 over 4. If we work this out, we have x is equal to, if you add this plus this, you have 9.4 over 4. 4 going to 9.4, 4 going to 9.4, we have 2.35. So the second value of x will be, or a is equal to, coming to this place now, we have 3 minus 6.4 over 4. So if you subtract this from this, you have minus negative sign, minus 3.4 over 4. Now if you divide this out, you have minus 0.85. So either x is this value or x is this value. Kindly subscribe to our channel. If you're on Facebook, please do follow us, like and share this video to your friends.